Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming my Topbox. So this is May's Topbox. Yeah, so this is the month of May's. And this is what it looks like inside. I'm giving you the sneak peek, so I haven't seen really what's in it yet. Okay, so up first is, yep, here we go. So here is a Nioxin dry shampoo, or dry cleanser as they call it. So it's for instant fullness and dryness. If you guys don't know what Nioxin is a brand that helps people with their hair that's prematurely balding, I guess, or very, very much thinning. It helps thicken the hair and makes it look thicker. It doesn't actually grow back hair, but it does make things look fuller and feel thicker. So, and it helps with not losing any more hair that is coming out. I guess technically if you're gonna lose your hair, you're gonna lose your hair if it's like, you know, a family thing, genetic thing, but that is what Nioxin is. So when they put something like this in the box, it kind of annoys me, I'm not gonna lie, due to the fact that I am a hairdresser, and I do know that if you start using a product like this and it makes your hair feel full, you have to continue to use a product like this to make your hair feel full. You can't just jump in and use something like this without technically actually needing Nioxin. You shouldn't be using Nioxin if you don't need it. So it kind of drives me a little bit nuts that they would put something like this in the box when there's a bazillion other hair brands out there that make dry shampoo. This is not needed. This is something that people really shouldn't be using unless your hair is thinning. Anyway, there's my hair rant, sorry. If you've been around for any of these videos, you know that I don't like getting specific stuff in these. Nail polishes and hair products are definitely one of them. All right, so up next is this, and this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD Setting Spray. This is a high definition makeup setting spray for long lasting matte finish. Ooh, okay, I like this. Let's see. It smells nice. I'm not gonna spray it on my face. I already have setting spray, but I don't also want my face to be matte right now. But this would be great in the summertime because I try to matte out my face a little bit when I'm working because I get real sweaty at work because the air conditioning don't work. So I'm really excited for that. That's actually a win for me in this box. Okay, so up next is this is Carta. I can't remember how to pronounce this. So this is what the box looks like. Sorry if you hear my dog in the background. She's whining. She doesn't get to come in this room, and she likes to sit by the door and whine when I'm not here. My boyfriend is outside in the living room, so she's not by herself. Don't worry, she's a puppy. Anyway, so this is a lip locked stain. So this is step 3 of the Perfect Lip Lock Priming Gloss Satin. Okay, that's a stupid name for this. Okay, whatever. I'm trying not to be irritated. This is in Siren, so that's the color. I'm going to give you a closer up. I'm not swatching it, not keeping it. I have barely worn lipstick. The only time I wear lipstick is when I'm filming. I don't wear it under my mask all day because then my mask gets gross, and yeah. So, I mean, this is a full-size product, so that's nice, but no thanks. Wow, that's 2. Ooh, okay. 2 out of 3 things so far I'm not keeping. And this is, oh, what is this? This is Be a Bombshell. And this is in Claro. That is the name of it right there. I'll put it on the screen too. I do not know how to pronounce it. This is an eyeshadow. Let's just open it and see. Okay, so on the back it's got names and, oh my gosh, can't get this out. Okay. Oh, so it's a quad of eyeshadows, and it's Be a Bombshell Cosmetics is what those don't look. Okay, so that is what it looks like. So the names of them are Private Eyes, Posh, Night Shift, and Grounded. So I think when you're looking at it, it's Private Eyes, Posh. What is it? Private Eyes. Wait, no. Private Eyes. No, it goes. Where does it? I don't know. So those are the colors. It's Private Eyes, Posh, Night Shift, and Grounded. I'm not swatching this for you guys. Like I with the makeup lipstick, I'm not keeping this. I have so many eyeshadows, so many eyeshadow palettes, and if I am keeping something, it's not gonna be this. I have to do some super decluttering if I'm gonna put any more eyeshadow in my eyeshadow drawers. So yeah. Well, that's fun. So out of the 4 items, I'm keeping 1. So this month I would definitely say was a very big Topbox fail for me. Honestly, I dislike these products even more than the nail polish that I normally get. But anyway,